Welcome to what will probably be one of the most outlandish unboxing videos that has ever happened here on Unbox Therapy. This is a very expensive smartphone in front of me. It's from a company called Caviar, Royal Gift. And it's not just about luxury, it's also about tech. Inside of this box is a smartphone, an iPhone, which has been retrofitted. It's been modified with a solar panel on the back of it so it can charge via the sun. In honor of Elon Musk and the company Tesla, this thing can run you up to like $6,000. Look at this unboxing experience. I mean, it is pure luxury with the leather. This drops down and that's the device. Tesla limited edition iPhone XS. Whoa. It's got carbon fiber on it. So these are extremely limited. On the side here, made on Earth by humans. Oh, there's a little power button, power indicator there, which you can click. You can see how much juice is stored inside of the solar battery. Oh, it's juicing when it's blue. Some fancy looking paperwork. Here we go. Whoa, certificate of authenticity. You gotta have that. Caviar iPhone 10, Tesla 256. So it's 256 storage. You got the stamp, you got the sticker, you got the signature. You gotta have it when you're dropping this kind of money. We're charging smartphones from the sun. It's the future. The maximum effectiveness of the solar panel may be reached upon the condition of placing it in a direction normal to the sun rays. The efficiency coefficient of a sun ray through the glass is for 30% less. Thus, the phone will be charged slower. So the accumulator battery underneath this solar panel is 2200 milliamp hours. The accumulator battery can charge from the sun in about 30 hours to fill it up completely. So this indicator, the way it works, if you see the blue, it's actively charging the device and you can see how much battery life is on there. If you hold the power switch, it should go back to green, I believe. Yeah, green. And that's the off position, the charging position. Ovechkin's got one. This is very executive stuff. There's a Merkel, there's a Trump. This is the one we need next. They also appear to do some S9 and S9 Plus and even Apple Watches. And what do we have? We have the headphone adapter from Lightning to mini jack, as well as the included earbuds you would get with any iPhone. Your standard charge cable, nowhere near as exciting as charging from the sun, obviously. And this cable here, this is the magnetic cable, which will charge the main power bank. It's nighttime, I guess, so you don't have a bright light or you don't have access to the sun at that moment. This guy just goes on there like that, and that'll charge this up, the 2200 milliamp hours inside of this portion. All right, so the device is booted up. You can see that it's charging even though I'm not plugged in. So the battery inside of the iPhone is charging via the battery underneath. Otherwise, this thing is basically gonna operate like any other iPhone 10. I just noticed on the side here, it's got an indicator saying 24 karat gold. Is it plated? I'm not sure. Now, as you can tell, the device has gotten bigger, it's gotten heavier, but you can't deny it is a unique look. Holy smokes. You are gonna get asked some questions. You are going to be on the cutting edge. They had to hack into the back of this device, the back plate, and interface with the power somehow via this battery bank. Wouldn't be an easy task, to be honest. I don't know about you, but a smartphone where you never need to think about battery life, that's kind of a cool thing. This is not that yet, but for someone who wants to be on the cusp, on the cutting edge, maybe it's a step closer. It's an incredibly high-end luxury item. It's very expensive, starts around $5,000 US. It's the Tesla limited edition iPhone 10. Look at that, it's wild. And it's for the person who has absolutely everything and still has money to spare. So it's for you, Jack.